We're gonna make champorado, which is a Filipino chocolate rice pudding typically served hot and eaten for breakfast. If you want to have chocolate dessert for breakfast, then keep on watching. We're gonna start very shortly. I just wanna let you know that I have a free guide for you to start cooking Filipino food in your own home, and that link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you can get notified of our weekly videos. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna use the Instant Pot because I can just plug it in, but you can use any saucepan here. I start by clicking the saute function and keeping it on normal mode. Throw in 1 cup of preferably glutinous rice in the pan. I actually used sweet long grain rice, but you can use sushi rice or any other white rice that you have on hand. Add 1 pinch of salt, then follow that with 6 cups of liquid. I used 3 cups of coconut milk and 3 cups of water. You can use whatever milk or milk alternative you want. I would recommend having at least half of the 6 cups of liquid be the milk of your choice rather than all of it be water, because it's gonna be a lot more flavorful that way. Next, use 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I used Dutch processed cocoa for a deeper chocolate taste. Mix, mix, mix to remove all of the clumps. And finally, add 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar, but you can also use white sugar, honey, or agave syrup. Just taste it as you add it little by little because they do vary in sweetness. And that's all the ingredients. At this point, all we're gonna do is wait for it to cook. Once it starts to bubble vigorously, press the saute button again to drop the heat level to less. Now you're just gonna wait and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to stir every few minutes so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom. Wasn't that so simple? It's kind of like making oatmeal. Serve the champorado hot, and you can even drizzle more milk or condensed milk on top if you'd like. This is me attempting to make the drizzle look pretty, which clearly did not happen. If you want this to be extra Filipino, add a couple pieces of salty dried fish on top. This is tuyo, an extremely salty dried herring. Okay, I grew up eating tuyo, but I've never eaten it with champorado, and I was so surprised to find out that people in Philippines pair the two all the time. And so I've never had it until today. It's kind of like, salted caramel. Salty sweet combination, except with fish instead of salt. Well, I hope you guys try to make this at home with or without the fish, but don't judge it until you try it. You might actually like it. Who knows? Again, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to claim your free recipe guide in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!